Today I'm going to show how to automatically generate and send license keys to your customers' emails. So you're going to need seller plan, which you can get right here and upgrade. Then you're going to go to seller settings, and then you're going to want to copy this seller link. And so when you go to the seller link, it'll print out an output a key. And so you can change some things, like if you want to change the expiry to however many days, like 7 days. You can change the mask. Okay, that X is a random character. That's why that didn't work, but that works. And so we're gonna take this link. We're gonna make a product or edit an existing one. We're gonna set the product type to dynamic. Then we're going to paste this URL however we wanted to format it, like I just showed. And then that's all. And then when they purchase it, it will send it automatically to their email. So you may want to note that in the description. Let's show it for Shopee too. And pretty much any e-commerce platform that will take the response from a URL and send it to their customer, it will work with any of that. But Sellex and Shopee are the most notable ones. So type dynamic URL right here. You should set it to minimum quantity 1 and maximum quantity 1 because you control the expiry right here. It's not. I'm not taking in the input from Sellex or Shopee because people could be using other e-commerce platforms or whatever too. Plus, it's not even it wasn't made at the beginning and with the intent of this. So. Yeah, so make sure that it's like this. Most people don't usually buy a bunch anyways, but this way you'll never have to restock. So that's really great because then you're not coming in here editing the license key lists and adding more. That's just pretty silly in my opinion. Hope this helped you. Thank you, and have a good day.